Setting up and accessing your brand kit helps your team to make designs that are always on brand. Here's how. Brand Kit houses your logos, colors, and fonts for quick finding, and keeps designs consistent across your team. To set up Brand Kit, select it from the sidebar. Brand Kit is available for Canva Pro, education, and enterprise customers. Click to upload or drag and drop to add your logos. Name your color palette for easy reference. Click the plus symbol to add your colors. Type in a hex code to easily add them. You can even add multiple color palettes. Search to add your heading, subheading, and body fonts. Then add sizes and styles. In the editor, accessing logos is easy. Just find the Logos tab and click to add your design. Your team can easily use the elements set up in your brand kit when designing. They can do this through the Styles tab. Apply brand colors and add in text. Apply your brand to designs quickly to maintain brand consistency with Brand Kit. To learn more, visit designschool.canva.com.